Okay, so here's the thing. That's sort of my first real interview, but we obviously need to find a microphone because you can't hear anything that we're saying. So, and I need to find a tripod. I need to find some sort of tripod that I can stick this thing on, so I don't have to walk around necessarily holding it like this. What else do I need? I need to find some Velcro. I need to put Velcro in my van and other places, and Velcro on the back of this thing so that I can just stick it in places.
Velcro,
Is that it?
Microphone, tripod.
Okay, I'm right there.
I think that's it.
I don't know if we're going to find that on Balboa.